Morning, everyone. My name is Tyler. This is Tate. This is Dawson. This is a day in the life of a Powerline student. And Tate, what are you going to college for?
I'm a engineering student here at Western Wyoming Community College.
And Dawson, what are you going for?
I'm here at the E&I program at Western.
Yeah. Now we're all going to go shopping and get some stuff for dinner tonight. And I'll see you guys in my class today. This is the immaculate 6-boil that we're taking to Walmart. It's beautiful. Me and Robert just got to the Powerline building. We're eating our lunch from Cafe Real. It's very good.
I saw it.
We just finished our test in our Powerline class. Now we're going out to climb. Me and Robert are flying the bucket truck. We're going to change out that insulator. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
It's fine.
We're already wet. It's not done anyway. We're already wet. It's already off.
We need something to do tomorrow.
Hell yeah.
There you go, Robert. Our dinner is very good. How do you like it, Dawson? Tate? Thank you, Tate. Thank you, everyone, for watching my day in the life video.